Oh my Christ, look at me. So the clocks went back yesterday, didn't they? I think it was yesterday. Pretty sure it was yesterday. And Alfie obviously has no concept of time. So where he would normally sleep from 9 o'clock until about 7 or 8, for some reason he woke up at 5 o'clock this morning. So I'm feeling really fresh. I'm really awake. There you go. Are you having fun in the bath? Are you having fun? So sweet. You like it? Oh, you're splashing. Are you gonna let me wash your hair? That's a nice smile. You splashing. Who's that little cutie pie? Oh, look at you! Don't eat it! Yuck! And there we go. We don't like the cold. Let's dry you off because you really don't like being cold, do you? You've got my hair all over you. Maybe Mummy should get her hair cut off and then we won't have that problem, will we? Mummy needs to hurry up and get a nappy on you. We don't want any accidents, do we? No, we don't. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, Alfie. Is that better? Now you got your nappy on. Tastes nice? I don't think I've looked good at any point in the video so far. That is because Alfie is not sleeping very well at the moment. Where did I put my phone? Seriously, where did I put my phone? It was just in my hand. How have I lost it? What the hell? Oh, okay. It's 20 past 6 at the moment in the morning. I've been awake since 4:45 and I've been watching kids programs since I woke up. I'm now watching something about a rabbit playing a recorder and a guitar and some saucepans. Alfie, however, is wide awake, as I'm sure you can imagine. He woke up so early today because he was pooing, so that was delightful. Waking up to a bit of diarrhea, not from myself, from Alfie. And it being so early was a great combination. He's still watching telly, look at him. It's a horrendous programme, but Alfie seems to be having a great time. So, plan for today. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually filming my face when I look like this. I've still got last night's mascara on, yesterday's mascara on, sorry. Please don't judge me. Actually no, do judge me because then it'll make me take it off. Today's plan was to be going out. We're now going to have another homey day because I'm so tired. Yes, I am. I'm very tired. Your fault. You look so funny tucked in bed. I'm not staying here tonight because, blimey, Bob the Builder's changed. I'm not staying here tonight because it's Halloween and Matt's not here, and the thought of answering the door on Halloween with a baby, like, no, thank you. So I'm going to go to my nan's this evening, so I haven't got to answer the door in my own house. Is that bad? Maybe. I'll catch up with you later when I'm maybe a bit more awake. I might still look as awful. I probably will look as awful, maybe even worse. Who knows? What a treat that'll be. Alfie. What are you doing? Too busy punching the bed. Oh, hello. That's what I wanted. Good morning. Who is it, Alfie? Who is it? Oh my god, it's the cutest thing. That's you. You wanna give yourself a kiss? Mwah. Look at you. Look at my little skeleton. Oh my god. Do you like it? You look like a criminal though. You look like you're gonna go and rob someone's house. That's not the effect I was going for, was it? No. He's being so needy today. Every time I move away from him, he cries, which is great. I don't look that much better, do I? But I don't look worse, so great. I'm going to use today to paint my kitchen. Oh wow, did it look messy? No, we're okay. To paint the kitchen. My mum's going to come over and look after Alfie. And I am going to attempt to paint. I'm not very good at it, so it should go well. You having your nails done?
He's distracted with Teletubbies at the moment. Teletubbies love the Tiddly-Tubbies.
I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but I am going to blow my own trumpet because I am doing a great job. I've never painted in my life, apart from like in GCSER, and I was horrific at it. But here I am, painting my kitchen like a full-grown adult that I'm trying to be, and it looks okay. I mean, I should have showed you the before and after, but it doesn't look any different on the camera. I'm not painting it like mental colours, so it doesn't look any different, but believe me, I'm doing great. I truly am. Alfie is fast asleep. Also, while I remember, I've just discovered that my car has no oil in. I've never put oil in my car. Well, I don't know why really. I've been busy having a baby. There we go, that's better. Yeah, I've never put oil in my car, and it's been making funny noises, but like nothing out of the ordinary. So Mac, my best pal Mac, you saw him the other day in another video, he checked the oil for me and it was literally bone dry, and my mum just topped it up for me, and she put in a litre of oil and it's still not coming up on the dipstick as there being any oil in there. So everyone's really surprised that I haven't driven my car and died, to be honest, because it should be overheating and blowing up at this stage, which I didn't realise, so that's wonderful. But my oil light didn't come on, so whose fault is that? Is it mine? No. I can't remember if I said, but I'm going down my nan's this evening, so I'll make sure I remember to take my camera. I'm a bit bored of doing this now, not gonna lie, but I can't stop, otherwise it'll look ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna leave that here because I'm getting distracted and I nearly put my face in a pot of paint. Hello. And, I think that really, you're sad. Should we take this off you if you get a bit warm? Oh. Come on then.
Treating smoking-related diseases. So they will run to this treatment. I can't do it right.
Weirdly, I don't know where this has come from because I don't listen to this person, but Alfie's favourite, well, it's not really a singer, but singer is Stormzy. I don't know why, because I've never played it, but he likes this one. I'm blinded by your grace, you came and saved me. Came and saved me. I don't know why. Every time I sing it, he just laughs at me. But it's the only song. So you came and saved, you came and saved me. I don't know why. I don't think I've even said, have I? Hello, happy... I don't know what day it is. Tuesday? It's Tuesday, isn't it? No, it's Wednesday. Mummy doesn't know what day it is. Yes, happy Wednesday. I'm looking still very dishevelled. Sorry about that. We're having a homey day again. I'm sure that feels like pretty much all I've done this week. We were meant to be going out. This is hurting my arm. But I made a misguided delivery order yesterday. Didn't pay for next day delivery, but apparently they're delivering it today, so got waiting for that. But they haven't given me a time slot, so here I am waiting for it to arrive. Who knows what time it will get here. Why are you so sad? Tell me why. Why are you so sad today? Are you just really needy? Needy greedy baby. So I've stayed in all day. It's now 3:45. Parcel's still not here, is it? No. So I could have gone out today. I've essentially stayed in for no reason. Makes me so angry. You don't care though, do you? You're happy just chilling on the floor having a great time. I needed to go out to the supermarket today. I needed to do a few errands. Don't like that word, I just had a few jobs to do. But no, haven't been able to do that because the parcel hasn't been delivered. I think I've got so used to ordering from places that have a delivery service which you can choose the time or... Oh my god. I've just clocked my pumpkin. I forgot it was there and it's literally mush. How have I not noticed that? Oh my god. I mean, wow. How did I not notice that was there? It's literally really obvious now. Oh my god, I am the most vile human. How did I not know that was there? Oh, I don't want to touch it. I'll get Matt to do it. I'm annoyed, basically, is what I'm saying. I am annoyed. 3:45 is quite late, isn't it, for a parcel to be delivered? Well, I say that, it hasn't even been delivered yet. He's been an absolute monkey the past hour. He wouldn't have his milk. Would you? You wouldn't have your milk. So refusing to eat or drink anything. Just being a general pickle, basically. Refusing to go to sleep when he was evidently tired because he was screaming at me. Obviously hungry because you were screaming at me. I finally made him drink his milk and we're a little bit happier, but we're quite tired, so as soon as I walk away he will cry, won't you? Yeah. The house at the moment smells absolutely amazing. I keep getting wafts and it's this. This is honestly the best smelling candle in the entire world, and I also, like, call me sad if you will. I think I'm quite sad. I have a lampshade for it. Is that weird? I don't think so. Bless you. I don't think so, because when it's dark, it's literally just like... I'm going to touch it in case it's hot. I know we're okay. It's literally just like a... I don't know what you want to call that. It's one of those. It's quite nice because when it's dark it lights up the room. Isn't that good? Is that sad? I'm 22 years old and I'm talking about a light shade for my candle. Getting in a pickle down there. See what I mean? We're just a big old whinge bag today. Don't you laugh at me. That's not allowed. No, it's not allowed. Not when you've been so naughty. Monkey. I've also started doing his little face, his baby record book today, which is such a good idea. I never had one of these when I was little. So, fun fact for you, these were the names that we were thinking of if he was going to be a girl, sorry. I liked the name Amelia, but Matt didn't, but then he liked it with an E, so we went for that. Always loved the name Darcy, but with an IE, but Matt didn't like that. And Olivia was Matt's choice. And Oliver was also Matt's choice. I really struggled with boys' names for him because I quite liked old-fashioned names, but not like... I don't want to offend anyone now. I'm not going to say any names that I don't like. I do quite like old-fashioned names, but like boys' names are really like stereotypical English old-fashioned names, and I wasn't too keen on those. But Alfie's quite old-fashioned because it was my nan's brother's name, but it's quite modern as well, so we went with that. There we go. He arrived at 7:10 AM on the 24th of July, £6.8, and his eyes were blue, and they still are quite blue. That was the first picture. That's actually a lie. That's not the first picture we took at home, but it's one of the first pictures that we took of him at home. He was so tiny. First visitors, family pictures I haven't done, family tree. Oh, sorry, mate. He first smiled on the 16th of August and he first laughed on the 1st of September. How adorable is this? It was a real struggle trying to get you to do your prints, wasn't it? It was a struggle. You didn't like doing it. He doesn't like opening his hands, so this one went quite well. That one, well. And again, same with the feet. Oh yeah, he slept through the night, the very first night that we brought him home, so... And he is generally a pretty good sleeper, apart from the fact he's been waking up at 5 AM the past few nights, haven't you? What else? Oh yeah. So these are his progress pictures. So that one was at 1 month old. So small. And that one is 3 months. And obviously eventually 6 and 9 months will go there. Oh yeah, this is his friends page. It's a picture of me, Alfie and Han there, and I'll put pictures of like his baby friends there, but I just thought that was quite sweet because I didn't know where to put it, and it's actually a really nice photo. I might get another one printed to put up because it's one of my favourites, isn't it? You loved seeing Han, didn't you? I feel a bit bad moaning now because the bloke just dropped off my parcel. How weird is the bag though? I mean, what's that all about? Hashtag babes have misguided, what that? Oh right. So this is the first thing I bought. This is a weird choice for me because I never usually buy things like this. But it's a tight fit body thing, you know, one of those things. It looks like a swimming costume. But I was just thinking, like, I really like it and I really like this bit here. But do you wear underwear with it? Obviously I'm going to wear like these jeans over the top, but do you wear underwear? Because, look, I mean... And then this, which is possibly my favourite purchase, is turning up really like weird goldeny brown colour. It's not, it's like a really dark mustard. I don't know why that's showing up like that. But it is a cropped jacket. I am in love with mustard at the moment, so this is fab. It's suede and it was, I think like, I don't know, I think it was a lot of money. Let's not think about that though. But yeah. And that. Update on the clothes. The jacket's really nice. The top, my tits hang out, so, you know, that's great. How do I go about my life when my cleavage is essentially out for all to see? I never wear things like that, so am I like, is it a bit much, or is it just me being like, a bit, Oi, chubby. Oh. Alfie. Literally does not care. Oh, there you are. Hi. Hello. You're just looking at my hair, aren't you? You looking at my hair?
Look at his face.
Oh. Say good morning. Oh, he's so grumpy. That's very bright, but I'm going with it. We're going to my nan's in a second. My dad's mum, not the nan that you normally see in the conservatory. Because Emma's going, isn't she? Emma's going over my nan's. She's my cousin. She is, I don't know how old. Alfie!
Come on, clap your hands and then you might smile. Your hands, clap your hands. Ray. How's that then? Hooray! Ready to go back down? Lunge your head, keep your head up, keep your head up. That's a good boy. That was clever, wasn't it? Oh yeah, but you're not getting that light.
Hi.
Look at our Emma and this. What would you call a child?
Boys' names, I don't have a clue. I don't even know.
I found boys' names really difficult.
That was easy, I know exactly what it's called. They're boys.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's not saying hello, it's oh yeah. Oh yeah, and you're not answering him. Oh yeah.
Daniel, it'll be Daniel's the baby.
Nelly Daniels.
Daniel's Bushman. We've done Bowers of her name. Because there's no boys on her dad's side, so.
Hey, noisy bloke. I think he's calling Emma now.
What are you doing down there?
That's noisy. That's noisy. Shush. Do it again then. Do it. Is that nice? Is that nice? Yeah. What? What are you saying? What are you saying? Shush.
I'm so sorry for all of the mess in the background. Please don't look at that. However, this is the jacket and the top. Oh, Matt's boxers on the radiator. Love that. This is the top and jacket I bought from Misguided yesterday. That was delivered yesterday, I think. Yeah, delivered yesterday. I am in love. Literally in love. It's such a nice jacket. I never wear stuff like this. So how good is that? The only thing, it's very chesty, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not used to wearing such chesty things. So, is it chesty though, or is it just me being really modest? Modest, is that the word? I don't know. Say good morning. Happy Sunday. Do you know where we're going? We're going to see the Christmas lights. Would that be good? Shall we go see the Christmas lights? Yeah? Are you in your chair? Yeah. You laughing? Are you laughing? Is that Harry Potter though?